noun of number. Today we study about how to convert noun singular to plural. First, words ending with s, ss, sh, ch, x or z. Add es. For example, buses, classes, dishes, branches, boxes, quizzes. Second, words ending with or on replaced by a. For example, ovum to ova, phenomenon to phenomena. Third, similarly, us by in. For example, fungus to fungi. Fourth, similarly, sis by ses. For example,